welcome back to my channel, Life as a DIY Mom. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these beautiful earrings I have on. It's extremely easy to make and it's extremely lightweight. For the fact that it looks long and dangling, you expect it to be very heavy, but it's extremely lightweight. And if you do not even want it this long, using the same technique that we'll be using to make this earring, you can use smaller size beads, you can make shorter length and get the look you're going for. But you can actually wear it like this and you wouldn't even know you're wearing something. And you can wear it for your wedding, you can use it for your bridal shower, you can use it for your bridesmaids, and you can make it yourself, so you don't have to spend money on something that looks like a luxury jewelry, to be honest. And you do not need any skill in jewelry making to be able to make this. So we're going to just go right into the video, but before then I'd like you to subscribe to my channel so you can know when I have new videos up. I try to post every week, but with what's going on in the world right now and being a mother of 3 children, it's not really easy, but I try. I would love you to subscribe, like, comment and give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Let's go into our video. So the tools I'm going to be using in this project are my flat nose pliers, my round nose plier, my cutter, 0.40mm fishing line, 3mm pearls, 6mm pearls, 8mm pearls, 10mm pearls, gold Miyuki seed bead, a hairpin or 1mm gold wire, earring studs, and my gold stoppers. So let's get started on this project. First, I'm going to measure and cut 12 inches long of my 0.40mm fishing line using a ruler or a tape measure. With my cutter, I'm going to cut it, and then we are ready to start beading. I'm going to pick a 10mm pearl and slide it down to the middle of the wire like this. Next, I'm going to pick up a seed bead and I'm going to slide it onto the right hand of the wire, and another seed bead onto the left of the wire. Next, I'm going to pick another 10mm pearl onto the right side of the wire and another one on the left side of the wire, like this. Again, I'm going to put the seed bead on the right and the seed bead on the left. Now with the last 10mm bead, I'm going to interlock. If you've been watching my videos, interlocking simply means passing your wires in opposite direction through a bead, as I've shown you. And then I'm going to slide that bead I interlocked with to meet the others at the middle of the wire. Next step, I'm going to pick up a seed bead again and slide it onto the right side of the wire, another onto the left side of the wire. And then now I'm going to pick up an 8mm bead onto the right side of the wire, and another 8mm bead onto the left of the wire. Next, I'm going to pick up a seed bead onto the right side of the wire and another seed bead onto the left side of the wire. And then I'm going to interlock with another 8mm pearl. And slide that down. At this stage, your work should look like this. Next, I'm going to pick up another seed bead, one on the right hand of the wire and another on the left side of the wire. Again, I'll pick up an 8mm bead onto the right side of the wire and another 8mm bead on the left side of the wire. A seed bead on the right side of the wire and another seed bead on the left side of the wire. And then at this point, I'm going to interlock with the last 8mm bead. So it's basically for every pearl you pick, there's a seed bead that follows. For every seed bead you put, there's a pearl that follows. At this point, I'm going to pick up another seed bead onto the right side of my wire, and then one on the left side of the wire. I'm going to pick up a 6mm bead on the right and another 6mm bead on the left. A seed bead on the right and a seed bead on the left. And then with the last 6mm bead, I'm going to interlock. For the last stage, I'm going to pick up a seed bead onto the right of my wire or to the right of my fishing line, and another seed bead onto the left. I'm going to pick up a 3mm bead onto the left as well as the right. And then following this, we're going to add our seed beads as usual, one on the right and one on the left. And then finally, with the last 3mm pearl, we're going to interlock. To finish up, I'm going to add one seed bead to the right of my wire and another seed bead to the left of my wire. Looks like this. And then I'm going to take two stoppers and I'm going to interlock at this point with the two stoppers. This is to close up or to finish up my project. So right now I've interlocked with the two stoppers, and with my flat nose pliers I'm going to close the stopper to secure the fishing line. After doing this, you can either cut your wire, but I like to pass my wire to another point in my project where I can make knots and then I can cut off for extra security. Making my knots now, and then after making the secured knots, I'm going to cut off the extra wire with my cutter. And that's it, guys. Basically, we're done with our earring component. All we need to do to get it looking perfect, just like this, is to get our stud and connect it to our beaded work. To do that, I'm going to be using my gold wire. I will be making a loop or a ring, a jump ring with the gold wire. You can either make your jump ring yourself or use an already made jump ring. I'm going to open my jump ring and I'm going to slide it into the hole at the top of my beaded work where my stopper was, and I'm going to slide my ear stud inside and then I'll close it, and that's it. I have my earring complete. Thank you guys for watching. If you like, please comment, like the video, subscribe, and see you in my next video.
I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you're first to know when we have new content. Bye guys, see you in my next video.